In this module, we will talk about certain other principles of social welfare administration. Purposeful relationship is an important principle of social welfare administration. The actual purposeful working relationship must be established between the administrator, the board, staff, and the constituency. Purposeful relationship, the principle of purposeful relationship is based upon that because the social work is a profession, so all the requirements and the needs of a profession should be met by the practitioners. So it is important that in the secondary method of social welfare administration, the purposeful relationship principle should be utilized in the proper manner, and this purposeful relationship must be established between the agency and the client, between the agency and the groups, between the agency and the target population of the community. This purposeful relationship should be established by the worker, by the social worker who is providing the services from the platform of that agency, the worker and the client relationship, the worker and the community people relationship. And this purposeful relationship principle should be effectively used within the agency as well. The staff and the administrator, between the colleagues, a professional reflection of the purposeful relationship should be manifested. So the process of social welfare administration, the method of social welfare administration can be effectively used. The other principle of social welfare administration is the agency totality. Agency must be understood keeping in view its wholeness. It must be viewed in its totality. Instead of focusing on the individualized aspects or functioning of the agency, it will create problem basically for the professional social worker while executing the social welfare administration. Like all other matters, whether the primary or the secondary, the principle of professional responsibility must be present on the part of the professional social worker, must be practiced by the professional social worker while executing the social welfare administration process. And basically, the administrator of the agency is responsible for providing the highly qualified professional service based on the values, the morals, the principles, and meeting all the parameters and standards of a professional practice, of a professional setting. It is very important that the principle of participation must be kept in view by the professional social workers, and the appropriate participation and the sufficient contribution of all the members of the administration, the board, the whole staff, and the people of the community should participate in the whole process of social welfare administration, whose objective is to render the welfare services for the community people. And this process of participation should be a continuous process of the dynamic participation by the community people, by the experts of the community people, by the staff of the social welfare agency, by the professional social worker of the agency, and the administration of social welfare agency. So this is very important, that there should be a democratic style of working in the social welfare administration.